It's the dawn of a new day at the block. Art in the 1910s house, Perth parents Luke and Jasmin are not happy about the era they've landed or last night's results.
Obviously, you guys came last in the judging. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it was a bit of a hit.
It was a bit of a hit. It's not a nice feeling to come last, but someone does need to come last.
Good morning.
How's my hair?
Hair, excellent. Scores, not so much.
It slammed last night.
Neil said, if this is the 1910s, you wouldn't know it, would you? And Shayna had a lot to say about the lack of Federation features.
This is confused of what it wants to be. Shutters, the wardrobe and the doors, tick, amazing, gorgeous. The rest of it, goodbye.
Shayna.
Our block plan, when we come on here, was to design and build a modern, contemporary house in Brighton. Now everything has shifted. You know, you dream about coming on this show and building your dream house, and, you know, you get all your ideas and then you get told that...
If you do all those ideas, then you're going to get sixes.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't fit the house.